Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share how to tuck your hairstyle clip and make a right puffed hairstyle in just a 1 minute. Then first take your front hair and make a puff on the front section. जैसे कि मैंने वीडियो में आपको दिखाया, ये बताना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, आप लोग देख सकते हैं मैंने इसको कैसे फ्रंट सेक्शन को हेयर को लिया और उसके बाद मैं पीछे के जो हेयर है उसको ट्विस्ट कर रही हूँ। दोनों साइड के हेयर को लेके मैं इसको इनवर्ड्स ट्विस्ट कर रही हूँ। I'm taking small part of my hair strand and twisting it inwards. And pull my hair strand just to make a voluminous puff. And here I'm loosen up some hair strand from this front section, and then I'm going to tuck a small clip, and then I'm going to use my hairstyle clip and going to tuck this. And then I'm going to release the clip which I used earlier, and that's it. That's the hairstyle. Now I want to make the puff perfectly, and I want to make this hairstyle very tight. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tuck some bobby pin. So I'm going to divide my hair into 2 equal parts, and then I'm going to use some bobby pins. It makes my hairstyle tight and it makes the puff perfect. And this hairstyle is perfect for wedding season, and weddings में नाच गाना तो होते रहते हैं, तो ये वाला क्लिप का जो ट्रिक है ये आपको हेयर को टाइट रखेगा for all day long. So that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your loved ones, and subscribe my channel for more such videos.